In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconcile your accounts in QuickBooks Online. Reconciling is how you make sure the transactions recorded in QuickBooks match what actually cleared your bank or credit card. Done monthly, it keeps your books accurate and helps you catch errors early. Start by opening QuickBooks Online and signing in to your company. Once you're in, look to the upper right corner and click the settings gear icon to open the menu. From there, choose Reconcile. This takes you to the reconciliation screen, where you'll pick the account you want to reconcile, typically a bank or credit card account. Select the correct account and then enter the ending balance and ending date exactly as they appear on your bank or credit card statement. These two fields are crucial. They set the target you're reconciling to. Take a second to confirm the beginning balance on screen matches the starting balance on your statement. If it doesn't, it usually means a past transaction was changed or an earlier reconciliation wasn't completed, so you may want to review the last reconciliation report before continuing. Now you'll compare your statement to what's in QuickBooks. Keep your bank statement handy. In QuickBooks, you'll see a list of transactions for the selected period. Your job is to mark only the transactions that appear on your statement. Nothing more, nothing less. Work line by line, matching dates and amounts. When you find a match, click the small circle next to the transaction to mark it as cleared. You'll see it highlight and your cleared totals will update. If you're working with a lot of lines, sort by amount or date, or use the search bar to quickly locate a specific transaction. If something doesn't match, pause and investigate. Check for duplicates, typos, or a wrong payee. For bank service charges or interest that appear on your statement but not in QuickBooks, record those in your books first so the reconciliation stays clean. Continue marking matches until you've cleared everything that appears on the statement. Watch the difference indicator on the screen. It should move toward zero as you go. If the difference doesn't zero out, recheck the opening and ending balances and look for a single amount that's off by a familiar number like a transposed digit. When the difference is zero, you're ready to finish. Click Finish Now to complete the reconciliation. QuickBooks will generate a reconciliation report. Save or review it to keep a clear audit trail for your records. That's it. With these steps, your account is reconciled and your books are up to date.